Since the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, the advocacy of compensation from China had often been under discussion. As the source of COVID-19 remained a mystery, a certain country urgently asked for compensation from other countries to disassociate itself from the subject. After a law firm in Florida claimed for a multi-billion-dollar COVID-19 compensation from China, the Attorney General in Missouri recently initiated a legal proceeding to the federal court, which claimed that the Chinese government had brought Missouri and its residents an economic loss worth tens of billions of US dollars because of the COVID-19 outbreak. Besides politicians from that certain country, some so-called non-governmental organizations also clamored for compensation from China. Among these organizations, the most prominent one is called the Legal Advisory Panel on Compensation Claim for COVID-19. This advisory panel was established through a Twitter announcement by John Qingyang, Biao Ten, and others in the U.S. Who exactly are these people in the advisory panel? The principal initiator of the Legal Advisory Panel on Compensation Claim for COVID-19 is John Qingyang, and this comrade has multiple identities. His first tag is interest-oriented opportunist. Yang once suffered from hepatitis and served as the legal section moderator on Dandanxiang Zhao, a public welfare website for hepatitis patients. He was also the director for Henan Emerald Star Studio, an organization for hepatitis carriers in Henan. During this period, he had been continuously gaining profits under the cover of safeguarding for hepatitis patients. Yang's second tag is NGO activist. He had been commencing NGO activities since 2008 and founded Yirenping in Zhengzhou and served as its executive chairman. Yang vigorously promoted activities involving anti-discrimination, HIV, the disabled, feminism, and so on. All of those came to an end as he was arrested for crime of illegal business operations by publishing China Anti-Discrimination Communication on June 12, 2015. However, he never quit his NGO activist role and established Changsha Funeng Culture Communication Limited Company in 2016. Yang went to the U.S. in 2017 and never returned to China. It was the most ironic thing that Biao Ten, one of the main initiators of the Legal Advisory Panel on Compensation Claim for COVID-19, got his lawyer's license revoked in as early as 2008. A special issue of Jurisprudence Daily in 2014 specifically reported that the lawyer's licenses of Bian Tan and others had been revoked. What exactly is the use of this legal advisory panel consisted of these people? Yang claimed to the public that this organization would provide free legal support to families with deaths from COVID-19. But was this truly his intent? Negative. The organization had made private agreements with those families, and their objective was to charge commission from government reparations. In other words, they pretended to be public welfare activists and civil rights lawyers to gain massive profits by taking advantage of the uninformed. What exactly has such an organization accomplished so far?